Welcome to this episode of The Bars with me, Somebody, the only name with a capital in the middle. Back. So today we'll be talking about content creation. We talked about it the other time, but today too, we'll be talking about it once again. And today I'll be having here with me Hafiz TV. Yeah, the guy with the handle the Hafiz TV thing. Today we'll carry us go through everything we did content creation inside. It's going to be a very brief evening. I mean, they won't stress anybody. So, as I said earlier on, Hafiz Larry of Hafiz TV will be joining us here soon, Charlie. Content creation no be small thing, Charlie. People go to see Charlie, man, they do things like this guy, Charlie. No be easy, it be consistency. That one, the consistency be key. Eventually, I'm gonna take you through this some time to come, but then I need to hear, say sometimes it's good to steal from others, like you steal others them ideas and take do your own. That one they be very very necessary. So with time, I also sit here like this and then talk to you guys about content creation. Charlie, my journey hasn't been easy at all. It hasn't been. It is still not easy, but we dey inside like that. No, that be how the thing dey. Hafiz TV. Let him say Julo. Charlie, the TV so no, you don't do one like that. Yeah. How you go it hasn't been easy. It's not easy. You go to think say your 7 to 5 job, no, it be stress. But this thing be stress pass, Charlie. That's how it has been, man. But if the lalamias that they come to actually you go enjoy from them. But we know they watch there. We really watch. We take them step by steps. All go come out to you for your support. So you guys for the support me, Charlie. Now so somebody steal my wife. Yes, still your wife be, but you don't tell them to be your wife. All that if they lie. Just Charlie, in this life, overtaking is allowed only if it is positive. If you don't do them well, Charlie, you don't make ready. Somebody can steal your wife and you complain. Oh man, don't do that, man. Don't do that. So our brother Hafiz Larry will be joining us here soon. It's going to be a very brief conversation. We all have to learn from it, man. Someone did one side, okay, he's here. Let me just accept him, then we start. Charlie, in this life, one way or the other, you don't know where you go. You don't know where your interest is. You don't know where your just for pounds on them. So far as it is positive there, Charlie. Just for pounds on them like that. And so check like this time. Let's see if they follow me. Charlie, senior man, salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
He's my senior man, or you know me so.
I beg you know me so.
I dey follow your footsteps.
For the way, you be the boss man.
Which boss man? Charlie, I'll be.
Alhamdulillah.
We thank God. Charlie,
am I clear?
You say?
Am I clear enough?
Oh, you are very clear. You are very clear.
Solid.
I just hope the network will be like this until we finish. Charlie. My audience know Sheda know you. So can you please, tell us something about you? At least they have it on the flyer, but they want to hear it from you.
All right. So my name is Hafiz Larry, a digital marketing marketing strategist and a content creator.
Hey, you see all this thing, and he talks you, me, I'm your boss. Digital marketing. Hey, my goodness. Charlie, how has it been for you, man? Being a content creator. Where did it start? How did it happen? Take us through the
Well,
journey.
well, you want to tell my story?
Charlie, it should be brief. I know say it's a very long story, but make them small.
All right. So basically, I started creating content out of out of consumption of content. I'm a kind of person who like creating consuming a lot of content, especially video content. So I realized that I'm always consuming. Why not create some myself? So that's where the passion started. So I started it with repurposing other people's content. So I created numerous platforms, and then I started republishing other people's published works.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So for instance, maybe after this interview, then I come and take your content and I go and republish it. So
Oh, okay.
the platform was gaining momentum in our community. You get it?
Mm,
So basically, that is how I started. I started it.
so how was the support like? Like your people now did the support, or like there's been some times where Charlie you will send link give your boys and them want to laugh you or something.
Yeah, yeah. So initially, it's when it all started, it was all after how our community.
Charlie, what my boys they do me, eh?
It's normal. It's all after. When once you start, it's all after. But
Mm,
when they start seeing progress, then they all start coming on board. You know how it is in our side of the world.
such
Yeah. So I remember when I started, and then I was trying to get it on YouTube. I was trying to get people to subscribe. With Facebook, I wasn't really like the effort I was putting in YouTube. It wasn't like Facebook, because
okay.
YouTube, you have to get people to organically subscribe to your channel.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I remember when I was having 10 subscribers, was telling people to subscribe. Starting from my family members, it became I became a laughing stock.
Charlie, you know say somebody say my name must like and subscribe. Charlie,
Interesting.
hmm,
That's another topic for another day.
Charlie, I tell you, tell you.
Very interesting. If you see how people save your name,
Ah,
you'll be disappointed.
ah.
So
But you
it
continue.
didn't start easy. I started with going to cafe. People think I was a game boy. You understand? And because at the time when they see you in cafes, people think you're a game boy, because mostly it's the game boys who normally goes to the cafe centers.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
then I got my cousin's laptop. Along the way, I got my cousin's laptop, and I was playing around video editing. I wasn't up to date. I've not sat under a teacher to learn video editing. But my work, you can see for yourself.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yeah. So basically, that's a little bit I can share for now.
Oh, okay. So how has the strategy been like? Like in
Yeah,
your organization?
the strategy depends. Looking at the growth we've been able to garner. All is organic. There is no any paid promotion anywhere. On YouTube, the 30,000 you are seeing there is organic. On
Charlie,
Facebook,
they talk billions now.
the
30,000.
Facebook on Facebook, the 30,000 following you are seeing is organic. There
Oh
is no
wow.
paid promotion. So the
Wow.
strategy is very simple. As I told you, I started with family and friends. Then along the way, I opened the WhatsApp group chat. And it
Okay.
depends. As a content creator, you have a niche. You have a target audience. So I opened the WhatsApp group chat, and then we started. Content varies from text, images, video. So I started with WhatsApp group, where we've been putting motivational text on the WhatsApp platform. Then when there is a video content on any of the platform, then I'll share it and ask people to subscribe. That's one
Oh,
of
okay.
the strategies
You,
through a WhatsApp medium, and it really helped. because during the days when you look at the analytics, most of the views were coming from these WhatsApp platforms. And up to date, when you don't promote your content, no one is going to promote it for you. So what you start with, what you use to climb the mountain is the same thing you have to continue when you get on top of the mountain. You don't have to stop. I remember, if you are reading The Greatness Guide, Robin Sharma, he said he made mention of this important stuff. When you get on top of the mountain, you don't stop what you use to climb the mountain. You have to continue. Get it. So that's one of the strategies in the initial days. Then the Facebook came in, where and Facebook at the time was very vibrant with this group stuff. You get it. Facebook had a lot of groups, so we're using so we're using the Facebook groups to promote the links. You know this kind of website you've been seeing online. Mostly when they do the story, then they publish it on Facebook handle. Are you listening? That's where. Are you listening? Can we continue?
No.
Can we continue?
Oh, okay. So, how has there been any challenges so far? And then, if there has been, how are you able to tackle these challenges? I know, even with the sharing and all that, the laughing stock like this, they are all challenges, but you were able to overcome them. I know there are like challenges. As for this one, there's surface. So tell us the challenges you've been through so far.
Oh, the challenges, there are a lot. There are a lot. From the distance, equipment for production, and then maybe also along the line, I started covering events. So at events, getting people to pay you for a service, it's kind of tough, especially on our side of the community of the world. So basically, the challenges are not really that much for now, but equipment is the production itself. Without the equipment, you can't give out quality content. So equipment is a challenge. You have to take our 20,000 cities to 30,000 cities to be able to get a digital camera. Get it. And other accessories, they are quite expensive. I hope you understand. Yeah, so equipment has been the major challenge so far. And then sometimes you need to know your work. Most people look down upon what you are doing, but if you know your work, it's not really a challenge. So for me, I think equipment is one of the biggest challenges in this industry, or in this career path.
Wow, that's great. So, in content creation, how is data analytics, important to the creator himself?
It's very, very, very important. It's very important because in every company there are a lot of the data is very, very important because when you don't know where your video is getting to, when you don't know, especially you have a target audience as a content creator, you don't know where your video is getting to, you don't know the age group watching your video, you don't know how your viewers discover your videos, it will be very difficult for you to grow. So data is a very, very important ingredient for growth in this industry. Very, very important. Without the data, you'll be doing a 90 work. Get it? Because if your target audience are females, and then the data is telling you the target audience, your audience currently are males, you are doing let me say 90 work. You get it? So data is very important in this journey. It helps you to grow. It is the engine of growth in this work.
Wow, Charlie, your story alone, the encouragement give the people then they come. Me like this, the earlier on, I made mention that I'm coming to steal some of your ideas, add up to mine, and then continue with it. That's what I said. And since you have given me this, shortcut, should I say shortcut? Yes. So since you have given me this shortcut, at least I'll follow it. And anyone who is also wanting to become a content creator or someone who is already in it and finding challenges and all that, the person will know what to do. So this one, no words of encouragement. All the things you talk will be encouragement. So what be your last words? Anything there you would like to?
My last words are content creation has been revolutionized, and everything else is content. So every content creator out there, don't give up. Don't give up. Content creation, it takes time, it takes patience. It's not a 9-day thing or a week stuff. You need to put in the effort. You don't know where your content will get you. And then it will take you only one content to go viral. Just one content to go viral. So don't stop, keep pushing. And the sky is limit is content creation. And there's a whole lot of opportunities for content creators. So that's my advice. That's my last words.
All right, all right. Charlie, you don't know how me are they happy right now as it is sitting with us. So I know in future definitely we are going to meet and sit one on one and have like interaction, serious interaction. This one
Inshallah.
there,
Inshallah.
we dey do everything with you know. You only want stress and less than things. Charlie, it's been great having you. In future we
It's
go
a
meet.
pleasure. It's a pleasure having. It's a pleasure having you too, brother.
Charlie,
Thanks for having me.
thank you very much for being on my show.
Thank you very much for having me too. It's a
Sure, sure. We will meet
pleasure.
some other time.
Inshallah. Bye bye.
All right, Charlie. Abi, you know, it's me Sabali, the only name with a capital in the middle. This video is not for only you. Share, like, comment, whatever. Charlie, we did one side. We go link up some other time. Yeah.